You can do these spiritual assignments and your ex will come back to you. Yes, if you love your ex so much that you don't want to let go of him or her, you can do this spiritual assignment. Your ex will come back to you. Okay, make sure you love your ex before doing this spiritual assignment. If you don't love your ex, don't do this. Okay, yes, if you don't love the person, don't do the don't, no need of you doing this. If you don't love the person, okay, make sure you love this person genuinely before you can do this. Okay, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Gideon. I share spiritual tip here on this platform. Okay, make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like my videos. Okay, if you have not done this before, if you have not done this before, I challenge you to do this and your ex will come back to you. I challenge you to do this and your ex will come back to you if you love that person. Okay, so for you to do this spiritual assignment, there are items that you need to have for you to do these spiritual assignments. Okay, you need to buy these items. This is rosary prayer. Okay, rosary prayer, that's the English name of this. Rosary prayer. You can use your Google and make research about this rosary prayer. Okay, and this is alligator pepper, one bunch, and you need to get the picture of that your ex, one picture of that your ex. Okay, these are the only three items that you need to have for you to do this assignment. This assignment, you are going to do it by 12 o'clock sharp in the night. 12 o'clock sharp in the night. Take the picture of that your ex, place it on the ground, place it on the ground, and take that rosary pair, bring out seven seed of it. Bring out seven seed of it and drop on top of that picture. Drop it on top of that picture that you have placed on the ground. Okay, drop the whole of them on top of that picture. Now, after dropping it on top of that picture, open the alligator pepper from your bag. That is the right way to open alligator pepper. Open it from your back, okay, and bring out 5 seed. Put it inside your palms, okay, and call the name of that your ex 7 times. Call the name of that your ex 7 times, okay. After calling the name of that your ex 7 times, take that 5 seed of alligator pepper that you have put in your palms and put it inside your mouth and chew it. Don't swallow the chaff, okay. Put it inside your mouth and chew it. After chewing it, spit it out on top of that picture. Okay? Spit it out on top of that picture and say that I command you to come back to me. Call the name of that your ear. Say, I command you to come back to me. Whatever the issue is that made you left, that made you to no longer care about me. I command you to come back to me. Okay? Say your intention, say your wishes as you spit on that picture, that chaff of that little pepper, as you spit on it. Okay? Say your intention, say your desires, and after that, you pack that picture with the alligator pepper, the chaff that is on top of it, okay, and burn it. Burn them that night. Don't leave it to the next day. Burn them that night, okay. Burn them that night. Once you do this, wherever your ex is, your thought is what will be occupying the mind of that your ex. From that, your ex will come back to you either by calling you or texting you. You must receive something from him. Either he calls you or he will text you. Okay? Just do these spiritual assignments. You will see that your ex will surely come back to you. If you have not done this before, try it and see how it works. Okay? Make sure you do this by 12 o'clock sharp. If you're a woman, don't be on your monthly flow to do this. Okay? Make sure you're pure. Okay? Before you can do this. Okay? So try and practice these spiritual assignments and don't forget to share your testimony here on this channel if you have testimony. Okay? Don't forget to share it here on this channel. If you have any question you want to ask, if you are confused in any of these things that I said, if you have anything that you want to ask question about, just use the comment section. I will reply you and tell you more, okay, about it. Okay, and if you have anything that you want us to discuss, chat me up with the number showing on the screen, and make sure you don't take number from the comment section. It's very wrong. Scammers are dropping their numbers on the comment section. Okay, so don't speak any number from the comment section. Make sure you use the number showing on the screen on my video. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.